Welcome to Virtual Afternoon STEM. My name is Miss Olivia and our experiment for today is called ice cream in a bag. You might be asking yourself what the science is behind ice cream, and I am excited to tell you that it is chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of science that studies and produces changes in matter, which is what makes up everything and everyone in the universe and of course right here on Earth. We are going to be making some solutions. We are going to be creating some reversible changes with just a few simple ingredients that you might already have in your house or that you can get from a quick trip to the grocery store. Our first step is to take our larger sealable bag and our 3 cups of ice and pour the ice right inside. Come on. Next, we are going to add the salt in with our ice. And we will set that aside for just a moment. Next, we are going to take our smaller sealable bag and we are going to mix together our half cup of half and half. Our 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and our tablespoon of sugar. Then we are going to make sure this bag is sealed very, very tightly. Make sure nothing can get in or out. And we are going to place our small bag inside of our large bag, seal this one up, and then we are going to shake it for about 5 minutes until the solution inside here becomes solid like ice cream. After about 5 minutes or so, you might have noticed your ice cream start to get a little bit more solid and your ice start to melt a little bit more. Mixing the salt and ice together creates a solution that gets our ingredients, in this case, the half and half sugar and vanilla, very cold. Adding ice to the salt lowers the temperature at which water freezes. You should probably have seen the ice starting to melt right as the ice cream was starting to freeze. By shaking the bag, we allow the warm cream mixture to move around to freeze even better. And you might be wondering how this liquid became a solid. By doing this experiment, you've actually caused a change in matter. It starts as a liquid but becomes a solid through the ice and the shaking. However, ice cream, as we all know, can go back to a liquid when it melts, which is called, in this case, a reversible change. And now for the fun part, you can add some sprinkles, you can add some hot fudge, whatever you would like to your ice cream science experiment, and enjoy.